Now, just picture this.
You finally find the home of your dreams after months of searching, only to get that pit in your stomach that it might not pass the VA appraisal process because of how many hoops you have to jump through in order to pass.
How could they do that?
I get it. The VA appraisal has a reputation for being rigorous, although its intentions are honorable. It ensures that homes purchased by veterans are fiscally and structurally sound.
Did you know that?
So, how tough is the VA appraisal really? In this video, we'll explore 3 factors that can influence any VA appraisal.
Let's begin.
An appraisal is there to determine a property's value to protect the lender's interests. But VA appraisals go beyond conventional appraisals by incorporating a second function, ensuring that homes meet the VA's minimum property requirements, MPRS for short.
Isn't that interesting?
Veterans need homes in good repair, not homes in disrepair that will take time and money to fix up. So basically homes that are move-in ready. In pursuit of that goal, MPRs establish basic standards for a home and its contents. Easy red flags to identify when searching for homes are electrical and plumbing systems being in good condition, roofs being defect-free, and basements being dry.
Yeah, that makes sense.
VA appraisal guidelines can be strict and can eliminate fixer-uppers from being considered. Many of the guidelines can be frustrating for veteran buyers who are considering older homes in need of renovation. If a home fails to meet the MPRs, the buyer will have to decide how they want to proceed. There are 3 main options.
What are they?
Ask the seller to pay for the repairs, but in a seller's market, this is easier said than done. The buyer paying for the repairs out of pocket, walking away from the deal. It's important to note that VA appraisal guidelines aren't as different from modern conventional appraisal standards as they once were. Thanks to the last housing market crisis, some of the older differences between VA and conventional appraisals have been leveled. VA lenders have always been hesitant to risk funds on run-down properties. More conventional lenders are headed in that direction and tightening their financial resources for properties in need of serious repair.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Some MPRs are very specific, but others allow significant room for interpretation. The appraiser needs to determine if the home meets 3 main guidelines. The home must be safe, structurally sound, and sanitary.
Did you get that?
The VA instructs appraisers to watch for defective construction, but doesn't specify what qualifies as defective. Properties must be free of safety hazards, but the VA stops short of providing a comprehensive list of safety threats. The guidelines are likely vague for a reason. The appraiser is the boots on the ground for the VA. They are the ones who physically see the home, walk through it, and assess whether it's safe. Every home is a little different, and as a result, the guidelines need to provide generous room for the appraiser to make a judgment call and determine if the home is safe.
No, everything you're saying makes sense.
So, a question I get asked frequently is, how tough is the VA lender apart from the VA appraiser? The toughness of any particular appraisal also has a lot to do with a lender's own policies. The VA appraisal is important to a lender. Properties that don't meet all the VA criteria are rejected by the program and can put a lender at risk. In issuing a VA loan, a lender can choose to add any number of property restrictions. Some lenders are extremely strict, while others are more accommodating.
That makes sense, right?
For example, while the VA allows mobile home purchases through the VA loan program, many lenders refuse to extend financing on these properties. If a home buyer wants to use their VA loan on a mobile home, they'll need to ask specifically whether their lender of choice offers this type of financing.
Right, okay, good.
To quickly recap, the 3 factors to remember when searching for your next home are the 3 S's: safe, structurally sound, and sanitary. Okay, that's all I got for now. As always, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.